my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to do a bedroom refresh. This is a video collab with Luxear, and guys, they sent me those pillowcases, and inside the bag has two of them. It's a 100% organic bamboo, and guys, as you can see, the texture is super nice and the machine washable. I like the texture, it feels so nice. And you guys, I work a lot, so I always want something when I'm sleeping at night that's gonna be soothing my skin. I live in Florida where we have endless summer. Guys, this helps a lot when I'm sleeping at night. Today I'm going to use the pillowcases in my bedroom decor. I'm just going to wash them and steam clean them, and after that I'll come back to finish with the video. Okay guys, I have another product review, which is a blanket. Guys, let me tell you, as I said before, I live in Florida. It's hot in here. We don't participate in snow. And guys, even you don't live in Florida, it's the time of the year you always need something to keep you cool down. This cooling blanket, you can use it either side. It have double effect and Q Max 0.5 out gel. This material is super soft, guys, and I like the design. The color is beautiful, and all the beach and the starfish and everything, it's so nice. It's kind of winter summer. Okay guys, it's super nice, I can tell you that. As you can see, it's super beautiful. All the beach, the starfish, the jellyfish, and everything on it. It's super nice. To leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. Make sure to check it out because it's a super nice thing to have. Even you don't live in Florida, so you can still have something like that at home to help you cool down in the hotter days. Okay guys, let's start decorate the bedroom and keep on watching. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moyen. Si vous la première fois, moi je vous bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo. Et si vous la première fois, moi je vous remercie un peu pour le support. Continuez à regarder les restes vidéo.
So long in the dark, I forgot how the sunlight feels. Hidden just out of reach, down below, waiting for time to reveal 100.
Already washed and ready to use. Guys, as you can see, the thing that I like the most about the pillowcases, so they have like the pocket. This pocket is everything, because I don't like when my pillow shows, so you can use it either way, inner or outer. It doesn't make any difference because all the side are covers, and I like it so much, guys. Don't forget to check the link in the description box down below.
Hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine.
guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, you know what to do. Smash me some thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. To keep it very simple today. I guess that's what simple means to me. Okay guys, I'm going to let you enjoy the video and please watch the video till the end.
Pulled up to the surface from the dust.
The vases are my DIY and I'm so in love with them. They were clear and I spray paint them. Super nice. And I did one shiny. This one is, you can see all the shine on it, and the other one is matte black, and I love them so much. My daughter gave me the lamp and I love them. They're super nice. The black and gold pillow from Shane, that's the other vase and different pattern. Love them so much. They're so nice. Like I always say, the size don't matter, but sometimes you don't have the size, you have to use whatever you have. And guys, it's important for me to make my place feel home. Whenever I'm at work, that's the only place I'm dreaming of, to come back to my bedroom and to lay down, and then you want it to be very luxurious looking for less. I'm praying and working for what I want. In the meantime, I appreciate what I have. I have this small bedroom right now. The bedroom may be small, yes. Looking good, yes. Smelling good, absolutely. The greenery from Michaels and the vase from Home Goods. The candle holder from Home Goods, I just add the gold bling on it. Looks so beautiful. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. And the big clear vase from Z Gallery. The two small lamp was gifted to me, and the tall planter, wood planter, are my DIY. I really like to personalize my stuff. I added some germ on this wall art and I love it so much. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.